King Solomon ruled the kingdom of Israel. He was known throughout the land for his wisdom. People came from far and wide to seek his judgment. Solomon listened carefully to every problem. He always knew the right answer.
King Solomon's reputation for wisdom spread far and wide, drawing people from all corners to seek his judgment.
Solomon's wisdom was a gift from God. He prayed for the ability to rule his people fairly. God was pleased with Solomon's humble request. He granted Solomon wisdom beyond measure.
Solomon's profound wisdom was a divine gift, bestowed upon him in response to his sincere and humble prayer to rule justly.
One day, news reached Solomon of a powerful queen. The Queen of Sheba had heard tales of Solomon's wisdom. Intrigued, she decided to meet this wise king herself. She would travel from her distant land to Solomon's palace in Jerusalem.
The Queen of Sheba, captivated by the stories of Solomon's unparalleled wisdom, embarked on a journey from her faraway kingdom to witness his greatness firsthand. The Queen of Sheba, eager to test King Solomon's famed wisdom, posed her first challenge.
King Solomon, if you truly possess the wisdom you are famed for, answer this riddle. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it?
Silence. The answer is silence.
Impressed but not yet satisfied, the Queen presented another test.
Very well, King Solomon. Now tell me, what is it that belongs to you but others use it more than you do?
Your name. The answer is your name.
The Queen of Sheba marveled at Solomon's quick and accurate responses. She then turned to one of Solomon's servants.
Servant, bring forth the 2 bouquets.
Yes, my queen.
The servant brought 2 identical bouquets, one real and one artificial.
King Solomon, can you determine which bouquet is real without touching them?
Advisor, open the windows.
At once, my king.
As the windows opened, bees flew in and settled on the real flowers, revealing the answer.
Truly, your wisdom is unmatched, King Solomon.
The Queen of Sheba, deeply impressed by Solomon's wisdom and the prosperity of his kingdom, decided to present her gifts.
King Solomon, in gratitude for your hospitality and wisdom, I present to you these treasures from my land.
Your generosity is greatly appreciated, Queen of Sheba. Please accept these gifts from our kingdom in return.
These are the finest goods from our markets, a token of our gratitude.
The exchange of gifts symbolized the deep respect and friendship between their 2 great nations. The Queen of Sheba returned to her land, carrying with her the wisdom and stories of Solomon's greatness.
I leave with a heart full of admiration and respect. Farewell, King Solomon.
Farewell, Queen of Sheba. May your journey be safe and your reign be prosperous.
And so the Queen of Sheba departed, leaving behind a legacy of mutual respect and shared wisdom that would be remembered for generations.